Hello students, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, and today these students are discussing about the pandemic COVID-19, that what sort of lesson this pandemic has taught us, and today they will put their views one by one. They are discussing actually, and we'll go to them and we'll know their views, what they want to say about this topic. So let's start. So everybody please stop discussing. I'm coming to you to know your views about the topic. What do you think? As you have discussed already about this very interesting topic, the lessons that we have learned from COVID-19. So let's know Madhu's opinion. Madhu, what do you think? What sort of lessons do we have learned from this?
Sir, I think in lockdown we learn so many things, like money cannot buy everything.
Okay.
And everyone is equal. No one is rich and no one is poor. And
Okay.
who has so many lots of money and he has suffering. He is suffering from corona.
Yeah.
So that time they cannot do anything, and everything is temporary and all.
The first lesson that we have learned from this pandemic is that no one can escape from death.
Yes, sir.
That is the thing.
Yeah.
And as we can see, money can't buy everything. पैसे से आप सब कुछ खरीद नहीं सकते भाई. That is the lesson that we learned. Such a good point that she has given. What do you think, brother?
Sir, according to me, in COVID-19 period, people give more importance to their families.
Okay.
Because
Speak loudly little bit.
because no one can see tomorrow.
Yeah.
And in COVID-19, people also learn to save money for future.
Yeah.
And
Okay. People started saving money for the future because no one can say what will happen to the next moment of time. Let's move on to the next. Yes, what do you think? Yes, please.
Sir, I think we have become more health conscious.
Okay.
We are washing our hands regularly.
No
and,
doubt.
And used to wear mask. We are sanitizing our hands, and before we are not
Okay,
washing.
let me know first. Are you fond of eating fast food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so people like you who are fond of eating fast food, in this lockdown, in this epidemic time, they didn't get the fast food. So कैसे manage किया आपने? How did you manage yourself?
So we made at our homes only.
You prepared at your home.
Yes, sir.
What sort of things you prepared at your home?
Sir, like
Have you prepared the
yes,
pani
sir, I
puri?
made pani puri.
At your home you prepared
Yes,
it.
sir.
But the pani puri that we go to that we eat at the shop, cannot be prepared at the home.
Yes, sir. But what
The
can
kind
we
of
do
taste.
at that?
Yeah.
So, but we can't do anything now. We have to prepare at our homes at that time because it is the time of COVID pandemic and we cannot go. We cannot
Anywhere.
Go anywhere.
Okay, so she's foodie and what I can say that she longed a lot in this lockdown for the food. Yes, what do you think? Put your views.
So I have learned the lesson that everyone is not treated equally, especially in pandemic.
Yeah.
Because there are many actors and politicians who are affected by COVID-19.
Yeah.
And they had got the high-tech treatment.
Yeah.
And poor people also can't afford to private hospitals because they are charging very expensive.
Yeah.
And all the government hospital at that time are filled with the COVID-19 patients. So
Exactly.
it is being a partiality among poor and rich people in
But
COVID.
still, by paying millions, they couldn't save themselves.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Only the one who could survive, the one who has a good immunity. Right? Only the person who had a good immunity could survive, but the people who had no good immunity, by paying millions, they could not survive.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is the thing that we learned. That's the good point. Brother, what do you think? I want to know from you. What sort of lessons do we learn?
In pandemic, we have all seen
Yeah.
lots of problems,
Yeah.
and we lost our pupils, and we lost many things. So in next we have to do something for that.
Yeah.
And we need to increase our industry area, and we need to increase our pharma industries, and we also need to boost our technologies.
Yes.
So we also seen technology is very important, and we is a very helpful for our country. In pandemic, we all peoples used very too much technology in pandemic.
Yes.
So we also need to boost our technology. We also use e-education
Yes.
and e-education system, and we also save.
Are you happy with the virtual education?
Yeah.
Right now, all these schools and colleges have gone through the virtual education. They have given their students virtually. They have taught their students virtually completely. So, are you happy with this?
In my opinion, we need a both, but yeah, I am happy with virtual because lots of people have not too much money.
Yeah.
So in virtual, we learn
From anywhere we can,
yeah, from
without
anywhere
paying much,
learn.
we can learn.
We can learn
Yeah.
and we can get knowledge.
And many international universities had shifted online in this pandemic time. So that is a good thing. Now, such a good point you have given. Let's move on to the next. Yes. What do you think, brother?
I think Corona pandemic taught us a lot that how we can work at home.
Yes.
Some people loses their jobs due to COVID crisis.
Okay.
And
What are the good things? What are the good things that we have got through this disease, through this epidemic?
Yes, sir. I think good things happen due to COVID crisis that some people get work from home.
Yeah. Some people, most of the people, they start working from home. That is a good thing.
Yes,
And
sir. They are happily doing their jobs at home.
Okay.
Because they don't have to travel from metro.
Place to place.
Yes, sir. Place to place. Metropolitan cities. They are worked with their home.
yes.
Some of us from small towns, and they have to work from metropolitan cities. They pay highly rent due to traveling.
Okay,
So,
okay. That's the good point. That's the good point. Let's see. Yes, Rohit. I want to know from you, dear. What do you think?
Sir, there are lots of things that we have learnt in the corona epidemic.
Okay.
First of all, we learned that we should have two option of earning money, because
Yeah.
we saw in lockdown that many people has lost their job.
Yes.
They were not having any kind of option to earn money.
Yes.
And they came on the road. So we should have two option of earning money, and we started the saving money, and
We started saving money
Yes.
after this pandemic. He's saying that. Yes.
and people became health conscious towards their health.
Okay.
They focus on their health, because, and they also know the importance of their family in the corona epidemic time. They started spending time with their family, and in the corona epidemic, student had to face so many problems
Yes.
towards their studies, because
Okay.
online classes are going on, so they were not able to get a good education that time.
Okay. Chali, that's a good point you have given. Let's move on to the next. Let's see what she's going to say. Please put your views.
So I want to say that corona has given our many beneficial effects, and also unbeneficial effects also. Unbeneficial effects, like we have online classes,
Yeah.
and we have offline classes. In online classes, we are not connected to teacher,
Yeah.
and we just shut down our cameras, and we are doing our work.
Yeah.
And
So
in
did you
all-
do these sort of things
No,
in your
sir,
online classes?
I can't do these things, because our teachers are explaining in very comfortably,
Yeah.
and they are explaining the whole chapter in like we are sitting in the class.
Yeah.
And in a offline class, we are connected to teachers.
Yeah.
And he and she is operating our students, and by what is the problem. If we ask the question in the class,
Okay, just let me know.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you happy with online studies? Are you happy with
no,
virtual
sir,
classes?
I am not happy with online studies.
Yeah.
Now I am doing MSc, and now it is also, if you want online classes or if you want offline classes. I want offline classes, because it is better to understand how we are. It is the type of like in class we use chalk and dusters and the board
Yeah.
to explain any solution, and the things.
Yeah.
In online classes, we have only copy and teacher is writing what kind of situation it happened.
Yeah,
And
we are
it
unable
also-
to create the environment
Yes,
actually. The
sir.
kind of environment that
And
we have in our
small-
schools and colleges, we can't have on at our home.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the small childrens are nowadays small children have online classes.
Let's know what Varkha is saying. Varkha, please put your views about the topic. What lessons we have learned from this COVID-19?
In this pandemic, I have learned the value of unity because
Yeah.
in the pandemic, when we were suffering from scarcity of resources,
Yeah.
just because of unity or relation with
Yeah.
other, we have got so many of resources and things. So
Yeah.
I think it is important to keep a proper relationship and bonding with people. But due to this pandemic, we are suffering from our nature is becoming anti-social.
Yeah.
So I think it has given some proper impact on us, but a negative impact also. It has given negative impact also. This
Okay,
pandemic.
what kind of negative impact do we find?
In my nature, I am becoming anti-social person. I am
Okay.
not. I'm not interested in talking with others. I'm spending time alone. So I think it is not. This pandemic is not good for us.
Now she has given such a different point that after this pandemic, we became anti-social. Now my questions to all of you: is it right that after being alone for a long time, it becomes very tough to be part of people, to be with people? When we face the people, we feel uneasy and uncomfortable with them because for a long time we have been alone. Is it very tough? Yes. Now, is there anybody who's going to say anything special about it? Any special point? Yes, what do you think?
So I think every coin has two sides.
Okay.
So if COVID pandemic impact negative, positive, so also impact negative. And if we talk about disadvantages, so there are many disadvantages, as we all know. And if we talk about advantages, so there are also very much advantages. That one advantage is we all are becoming like helping nature, and we started to
Now
help
that
others.
girl, she's saying that we have become antisocial. We don't like people. We
No,
love
sir,
ourselves
I don't
only.
think so.
But on the other hand, she's saying that we started loving people, we started caring people. We become what you can say that
Helping.
yeah,
yes.
we got the helping nature. Yes.
Because those people who have nothing to eat,
Yeah.
there are some neighbors, they provide their groceries, some other things.
Okay, Chali, that's the good point you have given. That's the good point.
Sir, this pandemic, we was losing importance of education.
Yeah.
Education system is a very important for student, but students is taking online classes. They are shut down our cameras, and they are watching TV and playing games. So
Coming to you.
I think we learn a lot of lesson from COVID-19.
Okay.
Increase awareness of health. This virus taught us important. It is to keep body healthy or fit. How it is important increase immunity power. That's why I have adopted the people pranayam, yoga, and Ayurveda meditation. And second of all, we should save our money. Many people have not save our money, and he lots of job, and we should our saving money.
That is the lesson that we learned, that we should save money. Okay, that's good.
After COVID-19, every person has just changed our lifestyle because
Yes.
sir, many persons is not aware our health
Huh.
and many persons is spend up money, but after COVID-19 many persons very seriousness for saving of money.
Yes.
And after it's and many online education also very boosting. And,
Right.
And information technology also is very improving because many company offer job for work from home.
Yes.
So I think it's a good improvement for.
Okay, he thinks that this pandemic has given us good things.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think that the COVID-19 has an advantage and disadvantage.
Yeah.
When we talk about disadvantage, many people lost their lives and many teachers who lost their jobs. And they in offline they get 100% job money, but in online classes they get only 25% of 100%. And in when we talk about advantage, people started doing yoga, and in lockdown people do yoga in their terrace or in a home, and they can also do yoga in a garden also.
Okay. Chali, that's the good point.